water break. I don't get too parched. Okay, so phosphoric acid, H3PO4, is used to make phosphate, fertilizers, and detergents, and is also used in carbonated beverages. What is the molar mass of phosphoric acid? So they were really kind here to just give us the molecular structure of this. So with that, we can really just roll with that and answer the question. So as I discussed earlier, though, when you're dealing with actually it's technically not phosphate, but it's actually things that end in 8. So like phosphate, for example, the ion PO4 3 minus. Well, first actually let me write the question. I'm jumping ahead. So what is the molar mass of H3PO4? Okay, so like I was saying, when you have an ion that ends with 8, right, when you turn that into an acid, you delete the 8 and add the ic followed by acid. Okay, so phosphate became phosphoric acid. Okay, well, it technically added the ORIC, but point being is that what does it mean to add acid? You just need enough hydrogen ions, and because it's 3 minus and each hydrogen was just 1 plus, you need 3 hydrogen pluses, which is exactly what we have here when we have H3PO4. That's just for you to get familiar with the naming in case this question decided, you know what, I'm just going to give the name and you figure out the molecular structure. So with that being said, now that we have that, we need to figure out the molar mass. So we need to just break it down as we've been doing. So we have 3 hydrogen, okay, 1 phosphate, and 4 oxygen, okay? And let's see here. We have, for hydrogen, it's 1.008. For phosphorus, it's 30.974. And for oxygen, we have 15.999. Okay, so that's 1.008 times 3 is 3.024, I believe. Yep, and then we still have the 30.974, and we have 15.999 times 4. So that's 63.996. So all of these get added together, plus 30.974 plus 3.024. We get 97.994. So they might have rounded their answer, but this is going to be the molar mass of phosphoric acid. Let's see how we did. 1.01, yep, they have slightly different numbers. 30.97, exactly, slightly different. 16.00, and they did the whole 3 of them. Yep, 1 of them and 4 of them added together, and they did get 98 grams per mole, which is what I had a feeling based on how they were rounding theirs. So this is a quick disclaimer. Exactly, you're going to solve it based on the periodic table you were given. If you weren't given one, then the teacher can't fault you for having slightly different answers from them, because periodic tables, they do try to be standardized, but they do each one can round a little bit differently, hence why they have slightly different numbers. Okay, so that is correct. Let's go on to question 12.